Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Noon from BioPrime Medical, where science amplifies performance. Today I want to introduce you to a vital member of our team, Rocky Fenton, our dedicated patient concierge and advocate. Rocky is here to assist you every step of the way during your patient journey with us. From your initial call to scheduling your labs and follow-ups about your appointments, Rocky ensures that your experience at BioPrime Medical is seamless and personalized. He is committed to helping you navigate your healthcare journey, providing the support and guidance you need to achieve your health goals.
Hello, I'm Rocky Fenton, your dedicated patient concierge and advocate here at BioPrime Medical. I'm here to make your experience with us as smooth and stress-free as possible. From your very first call to scheduling appointments and following up on your progress, I'll be by your side every step of the way. Navigating the healthcare journey can sometimes feel overwhelming, but rest assured I'm here to help you through it. Whether you have questions about your treatment plan, need assistance with scheduling, or simply want someone to talk to, I'm here to provide support and guidance. At BioPrime Medical, we're committed to providing personalized care and attention to each of our patients, and I'm dedicated to ensuring that you receive the highest level of service throughout your time with us. So if you ever need anything or have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Your health and well-being are my top priorities, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Welcome to BioPrime Medical, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your optimal health and performance.